Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you how to animate eyes like this. So I posted a video yesterday and I noticed people were asking me how can you animate these kind of eyes and the mouth, and I'm here to actually show you how to do that. It's actually pretty easy. Remember to like, subscribe, and I have a Patreon account. For those who want to help out, please, I appreciate it. Let's jump right in. Okay, so our object is here in Modeler. So what we'll do is we'll send this object to layout. Alright, so here in layout, what I'll start with is opening the surface editor, and on the eyes texture I've added some textures here. So on the eyes, what I've done is I've gone in Photoshop. This same image that I have here, I took it to Photoshop and I changed it in a couple of ways, where one, the eyes are facing up, down, same thing with the mouth, different shapes. So you just add different shapes to it, but make sure the skin tone is the same. You open the texture here, then here what you do is you copy one, say copy current, and then once you do that, if you say copy current, then you come and paste add to layer. So once you do that, you have more layers like that. So you can remove a layer if you want, you can add. So that's how I got to those. So after adding my UV, the image here, if I change this to something else, say that, so these two are now different. If you come to this one, the eyes are different here, and here the eyes are different. So what we'll be doing is we'll be playing with the opacity. So here the opacity, what we do is we either put it on 100 or put it back to normal. So you see what's going on there. You can see what's happening here already. I'm just playing with opacity, and that's it. So I want to use this to my advantage using this envelope here. So let me demonstrate. I'll close that. So here, if I want to make a blink, let me close this. If I want to make a blink, for example, keep in mind this only works in VPR mode. Alright, so if I say I want to make a blink, I come here. So this is the one that has these eyes that are open. So what I'll do is I'll come here to the layer opacity, open the envelope, and here I want to add a keyframe here at 100, and then I'll move to frame 6, and here at frame 6 I'll create another keyframe, but the value of the opacity should be 0. So it's showing the layer that's below it, as you can see here. So what I want to do is I'll close this and open this one that has the eyes closed. I'll open the envelope here. So I'll make sure the first value here is at 0. Then once it's here at 5, on frame 5, I'll add a keyframe and I'll put the value at 0. Go to frame 6 and I can actually change this. I'll say add keyframe and put the values at 100. So what you need to do with the others here is keep in mind these guys are at 100, so you go around, make sure you're on frame 0, just remove, say 0, remove the opacity, and this one as well 0. So here, if you notice, what will happen is I'll move from this, from frame 5, if I go to frame 6, it will change to the blinking eyes. So I'll come to frame 10. Here on the closed eyes, I'll open the envelope again, I'll add a keyframe where it's on 100, and move one keyframe, add a keyframe here, and it will be at 0. So that one is gone. I'll close this and I'll go to the first layer, this one, which has the eyes that are open. So here at frame 11, what I want is, let me create a keyframe. I want it to be at 100, and here at frame 10 I want it to be at 0. So if you check this out, for the mouth I already have layers in here of different shapes. So as you can see here, there are different shapes. So what I'll do is, there's this one right now. So if I remove this, as you can see here, it's already changing. If I remove that one, so the thing is, if I want to animate the mouth, it's the same thing. I come down here, select this one, I go to frame, say frame 10, and then here where I'm at frame 10, I open the envelope. So you make sure all these others, the opacity is at 0. Alright, so I open the envelope on this one. So on frame 10, I'll add a key, and then I'll say okay, it's at 100, and then I go to frame 11, I'll create another key. This key will be at 0. I'll leave this, and then I'll go to the next one. So for this one, what I'll do is, it's at 0, so I'll open the envelope. At frame 11, I want this one to be at 100, and then at frame 10, I want this, create a key, and I want it to be at 0. So let me just show you how this looks like. Alright, thank you for watching. I appreciate everyone who's been watching, who's keeping up with my videos. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Otherwise, bye bye.